Hello, Miss Beth here with the instructions for today. Today we have a very short plan. You're gonna report your attendance. You are going to watch this video here, and then you're going to work on your actividad inicial. For your actividad inicial, you're gonna click on this link, and it's gonna take you to this test. This test is a Quizlet test. You just need to complete it, and once you get your score, you take a screenshot of that and you submit it right here. So it's text entry box or file upload. So either one you can use and submit that score. Please be sure that you score more than 80 points or more. If you don't score 80 points or more, you probably need to review a little more and just do it again. Since you don't have two activities today, this one and this quiz, then it's better that you just try it again. The quiz is very easy too. Once you get that done, the actividad inicial, just go to the quiz. The quiz is very simple. I gave you choices here, where to pick. According to the picture, just look at the picture, and then you select for the drop down. And that's it. That is the last activity that you have for the semester. And we're going to start our closing the semester process. So please, I recommend you to complete the work, and please email me if you have any questions or you need any guidance on what to do to close the semester, and let me know. I'll be here to help you. I talk to you later. See you in class.